Hey guys, welcome. Today we're gonna take a look at the 91 BMW M5. The boat, pretty cool, pretty sick. I do have the whole set. I opened Lancia and I have the rest up there. So like I don't know where the other, they had the other Porsche behind me, but yeah. Taking a look, Boulevard series. Let's crack it open real quick. So it is a 118 this set. Really love the background of these, like the sun kind of showing. Find that pretty cool, you know. Let's crack this open. 91 BMW. Wish the thing would stay on, you know? Ooh. Oh, wow. Wasn't this a beautiful casting? Oh my. That is, ooh. Oh my god. That is a really nice casting. My god, it's like got some weight to it too. Rolls pretty nice too. Got some dirt on it, I don't know. So let's see if I can rotate her, take a look at it. I really love the pearl blue, not pearl white. Pretty simple, pretty nice. The front is beautiful. M5 logo there. The skirts, all the details on the side are fabulous. Absolutely love this car. I love cars like this, like on this boxy, plain looking type of car, you know what I mean? Kind of like a, so it just looks really beautiful. Love the back tampos. Front grill, everything is so nicely did. I feel like the wheels are pretty nice too. My god, beautiful casting, metal base, painted black. Yeah guys, I have nothing else to say about this casting other than it is beautiful, very cool. I don't think there's anything else they could have changed on this car to make it look better, but like it is really good. Yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys. See ya.